If you're moving and trying to decide whether to sell your home or turn it into a rental property, this video is for you. It's a decision that looks simple on the surface but has a lot of moving parts. Hi, I'm Hazard Bar with Keyrenter, Chicago North, and here are 6 questions to work through before you make the call. Number 1. How much time will this actually take? Managing a rental property means handling tenant calls, maintenance requests, showings, and paperwork, often on a schedule that isn't convenient. Before committing, think honestly about how many hours a month you're willing to give to this. Before we continue to the next question, I'd like to take a moment to tell you about Keyrenter, Chicago North. We help rental property owners throughout Chicago's north side of the services ranging from a free rental analysis to full-service property management, so you know exactly what your home could earn and how to protect that investment. If you're a rental property owner in this Chicago North area, click the link in the description to learn how we can help. Number 2. How do I make sure it's priced and marketed correctly? Price too high and it sits vacant, costing you money. Price it too low and you're leaving profit on the table. Getting this right takes access to accurate local market data and marketing that reaches serious renters quickly. Number 3. How much does it cost me every month the property sits empty? Every day without a tenant is lost income, on top of costs still owed like mortgage and utilities. Filling vacancies quickly requires strong marketing and knowing how to price the property right from the start. Number 4. Can I stay emotionally neutral when something goes wrong? This home holds memories for you, but when a tenant causes damage or falls behind on rent, you'll need to respond as a business owner, not a homeowner. That shift is harder than it sounds. Number 5. How will I handle things if I'm not nearby? If you're moving across the street, managing the rental yourself might feel manageable, but if you're moving out of state or somewhere far away, that distance makes everything harder, and that's usually when the owner starts looking for professional help. At Keyrenter Chicago North, we specialize in taking the stress out of property management for owners who are far away, so you can rest easy knowing your investment is in good hands. Number 6. Am I confident I understand the legal and tax responsibilities? Landlord-tenant laws can often change, and it's different depending on where you live. Your lease has to follow those rules, and rental income is taxed differently than your primary residence. Getting this wrong can be costly, so it's worth understanding before you make the switch. If any of these questions gave you pause, you're not alone. Most landlords run into at least one of these issues at some point. That's exactly what we help with at Keyrenter Chicago North. We handle the screening, the marketing, the maintenance, and the day-to-day management, so you get the benefits of owning a rental property without taking on a second job. Click the link in the description for a free rental analysis and see what your property could earn under professional management. If this was helpful, like and subscribe for more tips on managing rental properties. Thanks for watching.